Hello classmates. Welcome to Learn Air Pollution Control Technology. In this lecture, we will learn 1.2, the impact of air pollution, and global air pollution issues. The impact or harm of atmospheric pollution, mainly manifested in the following aspects. Firstly, the impact and harm on human health. 2. Ideographic, effects and hazards on plants. 3. Ideographic, hazards to utensils and materials. 4. Ideographic, impact on atmospheric visibility. 5. Ideographic, impact on climate. We will provide a detailed description of the following 5 aspects. 1. Ideographic, effects and hazards on human health. Causing acute poisoning, until death. Exacerbate chronic diseases. Causing physical dysfunction. Causing cancer. Causing other symptoms. 2. Ideographic, impact and damage to plants. The harm of air pollution to plants can take various forms. Direct injury, indirect injury, chronic and potential injuries, etc. 3. Ideographic, hazards to utensils and materials. There are 2 types of hazards of atmospheric pollutants on utensils. It is the surface of objects contaminated by atmospheric pollutants. 2. Ideographic, after the utensils are contaminated. Chemical changes occur between pollutants and objects. Deteriorate or corrode objects. 4. Ideographic, impact on atmospheric visibility. One of the most common consequences of air pollution. It's a decrease in atmospheric visibility. Generally speaking, atmospheric visibility, or pollutants with significant impact on clarity, should be aerosol particles, and can react through the atmosphere. Gases that generate aerosol particles, or colored gas. Pollutants with potential impact on visibility. 1. Ideographic, total suspended particulate matter, TSP. 2. Ideographic, sulfur dioxide and other gaseous sulfur compounds. 3. Ideographic, nitrogen oxides. 5. Ideographic, impact on climate. Atmospheric pollution has a large-scale impact on climate. It is a proven global environmental issue. The consequences are extremely serious. 1. Ideographic, greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases and greenhouse effects. Water vapor in the greenhouse gas atmosphere. Carbon dioxide and certain trace gases, such as freon, methane, etc. It can generate shortwave radiation from the sun, passing with almost no attenuation. At the same time, it strongly absorbs the ground. Long-wave radiation emitted in the air. Therefore, these gases have greenhouse-like effects, known as greenhouse gases. Greenhouse effect. Long-wave radiation absorbed by greenhouse gases. Partial reflection back to Earth. Thus, reduce the energy emitted by the Earth in outer space, warming the air and the Earth's surface. The impact of greenhouse effect on nature and humans. Reduction of snow cover and glacier area. The rise of sea level. Changes in precipitation pattern. Increase in climate disaster events. Impact on human health. Impact on agriculture and ecosystems. 2. Ideographic, the destruction of the ozone layer between September and October 1984. In the ozone layer over Antarctica, concentration of ozone, about 40% decrease compared to the mid-1970s. Unable to fully block excessive ultraviolet radiation, created this special circle to protect life. A void has appeared, threatening the survival of planktonic plants in the Antarctic Ocean, according to a report from the World Meteorological Organization, discovered in 1994, over the Arctic region. The ozone content in the stratosphere has also decreased. In some months, it even decreased by 25% to 30%. The hole in the ozone layer over Antarctica is still expanding. September 1998 created the largest area, a historical record of 25 million square kilometers. In 2000, the area of the ozone hole over Antarctica, exceeding 28 million square kilometers for the first time, equivalent to the area of 4 Australia. After ozone layer destruction, the ground will be exposed to excessive ultraviolet radiation, harmful to human health, cause changes in stratospheric temperature, causing anomalies in the Earth's climate, affects plant survival, ecological balance, etc. 3. Ideographic, acid rain refers to rain and snow with a pH less than 5.6, or other forms of precipitation, rain, snow, etc., forming and falling. During the process of absorb and dissolve sulfur dioxide in the air, substances such as nitrogen oxides formed acidic precipitation with pH below 5.6. Acid rain is mainly artificially released into the atmosphere, discharge a large amount of acidic substances, caused by. After the 1970s, China has experienced widespread acid rain. China's acid rain area is one of the 3 major acid rain areas in the world. part of the East Asian acid rain zone. Acid rain in China, mainly because a large amount of coal with high sulfur content is burned, caused by sulfuric acid rain. In addition, the exhaust emissions from various motor vehicles. It is also an important reason for the formation of acid rain. Some regions in China has become a frequent area of acid rain. The scope and degree of pollution caused by acid rain has attracted close attention from people. The impact and harm of acid rain. 1. Ideographic, damage to aquatic and terrestrial organisms, like fish and forests. 2. Ideographic, impact on human health. Integrate toxic heavy metals into drinking water, harmful to the health of drinkers. 3. Ideographic, corrosive buildings, metal components, paint, and historical sites. Okay. 1.2 Impact of atmospheric pollution and global air pollution issues. That's all we need to talk about. Thank you all.